Hi, this is Chris with Haven. Today I want to talk to you about the Haven ecosystem. One of the best things we do at Haven is we select the best technology for the appropriate application. You'll see behind me that we have X Series roofline products and 9 Series landscape lighting, all on the same building, all working seamlessly together. We spend a lot of time making sure as we design the products, we color match the system to make sure everything looks and feels like one system. However, we use 2 different technologies in this application and make it all work seamlessly within the Haven app. Unlike most companies out there where they've developed the technology and try to utilize that technology across all of their product line, at Haven, we don't think that's the right answer. We think the right answer is picking the right technology to use for the right application, and then our job is to make it seamlessly work all within the Haven app, so the user interface is easy and super fun to use, to where a 5-year-old can pick it up, hit Christmas play, and everything just works. That's our goal, that's what we do, and we think we're the best in the world at it. Check us out at havenlighting.com or visit us on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, the X, and Instagram. We'll see you.